Rancher, where we are going to be capturing slimes, capturing tabby slimes, and capturing chickens to feed the slimes. And then we gather these clots. There we go. And then what we're going to go and do. Oh, I missed the chick. I missed the hen. Good. There we go. You guys eat your carrots. Oi! Did not consent to that. Right, yeah. So that's all we're going to be doing. Just going to giving them food, capturing more of them, and stuff like that. So this is a new series of Slime Rancher with a massive moon. So yeah, enjoy.